In this video, I'll show you how to convert Excel file to CSV. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. I'll be exploring two popular methods on converting Excel file to CSV very easily. So first on our list would be go to your file Excel right away. And all you're gonna do is click on file and then go to save as. And when you save as, you will be given a lot of options from say different file, and hover down to the drop down menu to a CSV and click save. Okay, that's one of the easiest way. Or simply we go here at Google Help. There's a Microsoft support help that gives us some guide on how to import or export text CSV files. All right, so these are the two commonly used text files format right here. All right, so once again, go to file, open, and browse to the location that contains the text file. And then all you're gonna do is just from txt save it to .csv file right here. The save as dialog box, under save as type box, choose the text file format for the worksheet. Now you're choosing the CSV, all right, comma delimited, all right. Or there's a lot of online websites that offer a free conversion from Excel to CSV, and most of them are watermark free. Say for example, you go to this website cloudconvert.com. All you're gonna do is go here and then go to select file, drag and drop the file, and just simply convert XLS to CSV. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.